Okay, folks, so you just saw that slicing demo. I wanted to fix my light. My light is way too bright. But anyways, I want to show you guys what happened here. Focus. There we go. So I got this, what I hope is just patina, but it's kind of orangey, and I have a little concern. Now this happened immediately after slicing those bell peppers. And I googled bell peppers. Apparently they do cause like a patina. Now this wasn't a forced patina. I was actually using it to cut the bell peppers. But Andrew, it's actually pronounced Baz's blades, assured me it's nothing to be concerned about because it is a high carbon blade. But I'm a little concerned because it's kind of orangey and I don't want it. There's no pitting. I mean, it happened instantly. The change happened instantly. And I stored keeping it coated in olive oil is what you see all over it. But I think I'm going to try to take some, fits to it. See if that will come off. If not, Alexander said it's fine. Just leave it alone. You know, just keep it dry, which I do, except for when I put olive oil on it. But, I mean, it happened immediately. All right. Okay, before I put the fits on, I just want to show you that you see the patina. It's got some yellows and a lot of grays and blues, which I'm told that's normal. You can see it right there. It's kind of sexy. So I think Andrew's right. I mean, I don't even know if I should mess with it. It is kind of good looking. I mean, I'm going to touch up the orange parts with the fits, but I gotta admit, that's kind of gorgeous the way it looks. What do you guys think? Should I leave it alone? I mean, I'm gonna do it anyway because my OCD is getting the best of me. I don't know. You got browns in there and blues, and now that I look at it under this light, I'm not sure if that's orange now. I think it's more like browns. What do you guys think? It's pretty regardless. I know the light is still bright. I tried to dim it a little bit, but it actually captures the patina nicely. I mean, could it be rust? Could it rust that quick right after slicing the bell peppers? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to put a little fits to it, see if it makes a difference. If not, I'll show you. Okay, I'm not even sure if I want to show you this to you guys, but I put a little patina until a little fits, and I'm going to target where I think the orange is really bad, like right here, right there. Oh yeah, I took it right out. Alright, I tested it on that clean spot. Yeah. I think that's just going to be the routine. I'm going to have to really stay on top of this amazing blade just to get rid of that orange. I hope it doesn't get rid of the blues because I kind of like the way the blue looks. So fits is pretty good because it's not abrasive. I think I've shown you guys when I've done this. I mean, when I've talked about it, Michael, look at that, took it off right away. Michael Birch actually used the fits on my Tad knife that I won from him from Triple Art. Oh yeah, it looks so much better. Okay, I feel better. Actually, now it looks like you can really see the Damascus pattern So I guess a little bit of the patina that was created by the bell peppers, which apparently, okay, so here's what it looks like. Oh god, that's kind of sexy. Look at that. It looks kind of like a sunset. Oh man, do I really want to mess with that, Michael? Oh, Michael. Now I'm starting to sound like Lee. Do you hear Lee? That's what Lee says to me all the time. Oh, Michael. Why are you messing with that, Michael? Yeah, I took it right out. Okay, I guess I'll use it. Amazing how fast that takes it off. Look at that. And then, okay. I guess high-end knives need high-end care. Or some of you guys might think that's kind of cool and just leave it on. Some people like the patina, but I know the orange is no good. Orange could spell disaster. Could be rust. So I really love this knife. I mean, Alexander Bazes, you are an artist. Bazes. I keep saying it wrong. I'm sorry, Alexander. I'm just gonna call you Alex from now on, which you probably don't like. You probably like Alexander. I'm just like calling you whatever I want. All right, I'm gonna wipe it off. I'm working on it a little bit more. Wipe it off and then I'll show you the finished product. All right, there it is. I wiped off the excess. I didn't lube it yet. I didn't wash it yet. I do have to wash it because I do use it for food prep. I'm not sure if fits is really good to digest. So I just want to show you guys what it looked like when I took off the excess. You can definitely see, unfortunately, the blues are gone, the colors are gone, the sunset that was there, gone. Fits the Miracle Polisher. I'm now kind of missing that. Kind of like having the character on it. Beautiful, really beautiful. I feel like the Damascus is now, because I've used it, it's kind of accentuated. And this crazy light of mine. I am not an expert with lighting. I'm doing the best I can to show you guys the beautiful steel. Anyway, guys, just want to share with you my experience with this amazing chef knife, which cuts like a laser, super lightweight. I am so spoiled now. I don't want any. I mean, I got 2 more chef knives coming on the way, and man, I don't know. They might pale in comparison. They're both, well, one's gonna be W2. That's the one from Luke Delmeyer. He's working on it now. And the other one's gonna be AEBL, and that's from Berg Blades. So look for those. I know you're loving all these chef knife videos by the people that unfollowed me. You know, I do the channel anyway because I enjoy it. I do it because I enjoy it. Hopefully somebody there is enjoying some of the content. I understand this knife channel was initially tactical, but you know, I kind of, my tastes have grown and I'm kind of digging the chef knife. I don't want to be a chef. I'm still going to do tactical knives and flippers and folders and slip joints. And oh, I got another chef knife coming from Mattia, from Berg, not Berg, Beg Knives. All right, guys. Peace.